Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see about button in Bootstrap. We will go to the Sublime editor. In the title tag, we will go for your Bootstrap button. Under the body tag, we will go for a container tag. Go for div class equal to double quotes. Then you can give container here. Close this one, and you have to close the div tag also. Then in between this class container, we will go for h1. You can give any content here. I am giving Jisan Academy. Close this tag. H1 tag, and here you will go for H2 tag now. Close this one. You can go for anything here. I am giving buttons here. Then just close this one, H2 also. Now we will go for the button. Button type equal to double quotes button. Then you can give the class here. Class equal to double quotes btn. Then you can just close this one. Close the button tag. In between this button tag, you can give some content here. I am giving here basic. Just go to the file, save the file, come to the browser, then in our hello.html file, just refresh the browser. You can see we got the Jisan Academy and buttons basic here. This one we got it inside the container. You can see that it's coming in between the page. It's not coming starting from the starting point or going to the end point. It's in between the page. Now here you can see the button. Here this is the button here, but it's a basic button. We'll go for some colors here. For that we will go to the editor. We'll copy this button. Control C for copy. Then paste it here again. Then you will go for button type is equal to button, class is equal to button. Then you have to give it here button primary. I am giving here primary color. Then in the content, in the message, you can give it here primary or whatever you want. You can give it there. Just go to file, save the file. You will see the second button now here in the browser. Refresh the browser. You can see now this is the basic button, and here we got the Bootstrap button. This is the primary color. Now we'll go for some more buttons here. Just we will go for the third button, and here we will make it here. I think it's better we will copy this one. Just I'm cancelling this. You just copy this one. Control C, and we will paste it here. Control V. Now button primary here. We will go for second one. We will go for the secondary button. that is the color secondary. Then you can go for file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see we got another button. This is the another color secondary. Like this you can go for success info, lot of things is there. Just make the paste of that one and we'll go for the another color. We'll go for success here. Just I'm giving you a success. We'll go for next one. I'm giving here info. Just make it here info. And then we'll go for warning. Warning color it will be. It has to be in small letters. Here you can give whatever you want. You can make it caps or small. It's up to you. Then we have danger here. Danger color. Then here also you change it to danger. You'll go for dark color. Control V for paste. Make it here dark. Here we will change it to dark. And you can go for light also. Just paste here and then we'll go for the light. LIGHT. Then here also you change it to light here. We made 9 buttons now. We'll go to file and we will save this one. We'll go to the browser. We'll refresh the browser. You will see the output now. We got the 9 buttons. Here is the basic button, here primary, here secondary. This is the success, green color, info, light blue color, warning is there, danger, dark and the light. This is the way you can give the buttons in Bootstraps. You can go for outline button also. For that you have to just change the class in the Bootstrap. Yeah, just give it here button primary is there. You can give it here outline and primary. Outline dash primary. Go to file, save the file. Go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see now we got the outline here. Outline is blue, the primary color. Like this you can make it for all the buttons. Just copy this one. Control C for copy and then click here, make it paste of that one. We will get outline for all the buttons. Control V here. One more is there. Here light, okay. Here will give the Control V. Now go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see now all the buttons we got the outlines. We will go for spinner buttons. For that we will go to the Sublime editor. We will just make it undo for the outline, we'll go for undo. Control Z for undo here. Okay. Now here primary here we will just remove this one primary, and we will go for the span class. Span class equal to double quotes, then you have to give it here button here we will give spinner button, give it here spinner dash border, then we will give it here spinner border dash sm for small, then you have to close this one, close the span, and then you have to close the span tag. That's it. Now we'll see the output. Just go to the file, save the file, refresh it here. You can see now how the buttons here, it's a spins here. Like this you can go for the spinner buttons. You can make for all this one. Just you have to copy this one, span class, Control C for copy, paste it here, paste it here, like this you can paste in all the place in the content. Okay, we did now. Just go to the file, save it here, we'll go for the browser, refresh it here. Now you can see all the buttons are spinner buttons. Like this you can go for the buttons in Bootstrap. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.